Napoleon Hill taught that when two or more minds work in harmony, a third mind emerges. He called it the mastermind. This episode is brought to you by my HarperCollins published book, Mind Over Explicit Matter. Learn how artificial stimulation miswires your brain and what you can do to rewire it back to purpose, intimacy, and connection. Go to drtrishleigh.com/book. Today, neuroscience proves exactly what he intuited. When people share focus, trust, and emotional resonance, their brainwave rhythms begin to align. That alignment, neural synchrony, is how energy, emotion, and creativity flow between minds. It's not magic. It's mirror neurons, coherence, and frequency alignment at work. That's the phenomenon that Napoleon Hill described long before brain imaging existed. The moment when two minds merge into something greater than either one of them alone could create. Let's break down how it happens inside your brain. Inside your brain, you have what are called mirror neurons, cells that fire both when you take an action and when you observe someone else taking that action too. They're your empathy network, the system that allows humans to read and reflect each other's emotions, intentions, and states of mind. During collaboration or trust-based connection, these mirror neurons activate in harmony. Functional MRI scans show that brainwave frequencies between people begin to entrain, literally sync up in rhythm. This is how leadership, teamwork, and shared purpose generate flow states. Neural synchrony turns many minds into one network. When I started teaching brain mapping to groups, I noticed something totally wild. As the room settled into focus, the EEG signals began to align. You could actually see it happening. Chaotic individual brainwaves syncing into rhythm. The group's collective frequency shifted from beta stress into calm alpha coherence. That's when I realized Napoleon Hill's mastermind wasn't metaphorical. It was neurophysiological. I see it all the time now, even at home with my own family. When we're connected, laughing, or simply just present with each other, the same synchrony appears. Our brains literally fall into rhythm together. The third mind that Napoleon Hill described, it isn't mystical, it's measurable. It's the coherent field that forms when people align energetically and neurologically. That's when connection becomes creation. Sacred traditions have always known this. In meditation groups, prayer circles, and sacred music, people enter shared resonance, measurable harmony of brain and heart frequencies. In neuroscience, we call it collective coherence. In sacred science, it's the unified field. When your nervous system is regulated, you can hold your own frequency without collapsing into others. That's how you connect without losing yourself. And that's how you can lead without dominating. So here's your supernormal strategy for tuning your brain into collective coherence. Number one, it's imperative to first regulate yourself. Calm your nervous system before connection. Coherence starts within. Then number two, match energy, not emotion. Tune to the calm frequency, not a reactive vibration. And then number three, create the field. Focus your attention on shared purpose. Your brain will do the rest. When two regulated brains meet, they don't compete. They co-create. That's the real mastermind. If you want to see your brain's coherence in real time, That's exactly what I do inside my Supernormal brain training and mapping program. We map how your brain connects, not only with yourself, but with others and with your true purpose. Then I help you train your brain back to those strong, strengthened, coherent patterns because your brain isn't meant to just survive alone. It's built to thrive in resonance. Have you ever felt in sync with someone? Like you finish each other's sentences or create something effortlessly together? That's your brain's coherence in action. Tell me when you felt it because it's totally awesome. If this episode spoke to you, make sure you hit the subscribe button and join me in the next video. We're going to talk about where neuroscience meets sacred science, and we're going to keep going with Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich so that you can rewire your brain for clarity, calm, and connection. Your brain is built for coherence, not for chaos. So keep tuning in and let's keep raising the frequency together.